Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kisamla puli jong Bhoi College haka arpusan tarik urisau arjar khat kendai kila pun kutno ya ka jingrakhi ya ka 35th annual college week kabaki jurakhi shisin shisnem. Ya kani katayo lekmen jong Kisamla puli ke Bhoi College la Pynhap Pyrda da u MLA jong Nongpo constituency uba Meral Bonds em uba lolong u Kongsan haringkat ke jinge donlang u principal ke college u Professor AC Bamon ki professor ke college bar kuntupru Kisamla puli na ki department beper ki bala wan manishi menta. Lapan po pen pieng ru ya ka jing pun kot no ya kani ka tayo lekmen da ka jing ishimenta ki samlau puli ha ki jing shat bat ki jing ruai ten rai ka bala pen sengu tenat bat ai jing hun ya barok ki bala don menta ha ka tayo sengi.
Let me start by talking something about a family. A family which include of a father, a mother and the children. A joint family which includes of a grandparent, a mother, a father, a sister, a cousin, a niece, all living together. In Meghalaya, it is a state, it is a matrilineal family system. We will find very less joint family living here compared to the family in other parts of our country. Bhoi College is like a family which has the faculty member, their teaching staff, their non-teaching staff, especially the students. Thousands and thousands of students studying here, coming from different backgrounds, coming from different villages, coming from different caste, creed, religion. We are all living together like a family. What I would like to foresee in future is that the Bhoi College has been born and brought up. Many difficulties have been there in the past to be like this today. But this is a part of life that we have to go through. And at the same time, I would like to see that the Bhoi College will go up. It will perform well in the years to come. And it will live like a family. The principal as their father, to coordinate together with all the faculty members, with all the teaching, non-teaching staff, and we want to see that the college will rise in the time to come. At the same time, the coordination between the faculty members, the teachers, with the students in different departments, it is very important. As the team, as it has been rightly put, in unity we can make a change. This is what we want at present day generation.